So what you want to do is start manipulating the spacing between the letters until you can kind of squeeze them up. So you might want to do something like, okay, well, let's, I mean, in this case, it's kind of an easy, well, no, that would be a really bad. We did it, we got rid of it there, but you don't want to just get rid of spaces. So you could start using the kerning and say, okay, let's just reduce the the tracking for the whole section here. Bring it down, 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 and there. We brought it down a little. We got that of word away from the bottom, and it doesn't look, terribly different than the line above it, right? So it's useful for designing whole chunks of text. All right, and that is, well, I guess we could talk about a few of these things. So you have a few other options, such as some fonts will come with underline. I recommend against using underline. There really isn't any purpose for it. If you are in a design, if you ever want to underline a word, just use your line tool and put a line under it. That way you can control the line a lot better. You'd have strike through, and that's kind of fun sometimes. Yeah, that appears to be all the things we need to go through. Yep, we're good. So just one last check. Anything pertinent? Nope. Okay, so we're going to come back and do sort of more advanced text tool stuff in the next lesson, but that's it for the basics.